Okay.
Four.
Oh.
Pak.
Jab. Boom.
Bang.
Jab.
Jab.
Tapos, babalik na ako. Deflect.
Bang.
Take down.
Take the,
Boom.
okay. Jab.
Mm.
Ah.
Secret. Yeah, I'm telling them bullshit. I'm teaching you the secret. See?
Mag-move ako. Pwede.
Oh, this place. Especially if you're bridging. Kung nagbe-bridging ka, di ba?
One.
On the one, if you bridge on the one, tapos start the seguidas.
Bang.
Forward.
Mm.
Boom. Yeah.
Bang.
Oh.
Bang.
Boom.
Bang.
Oh,
Bang.
see? Pressure. Forward pressure yan. Kung i-include mo yung bridge quartering from setup, di ba? Ito. Okay? So, here. Itong beginning, di ba? If you're going to add bridging, largo, no contact, he cannot know how far I am. He just knows I'm largo. Tapos, kung ready na ako, okay, if you don't move, you have to move, right? Because I'm going to attack you. So, boom, boom, see there, take down, and then you come back. Boom, boom, you come back again. Boom, boom, boom. Oh, sorry, it's this way. Pero sungkit pwede din.
Bali, may move talaga.
Oh,
One, two, three. Back.
yeah,
Back.
yeah.
Bang.
Bridge quarter to the left. Boom, boom, boom. Then chase mo.
Ah.
Bam.
One.
Ah.
Two. Back.
Boom, boom.
Back.
Ah. When you practice, di ba, you start contact like ganito. Okay, that's okay. After a while, yung progression, you should go to tertial largo range. So, tip to tip. Tapos, same drill, pero wala nang unnecessary contact. Remember, these are blades, right? Every time I hit the other blade, I'm going to damage the edge. So, I don't want to do that needlessly. Huh? So, now, nag-practice, largo, dito. Tapos, oh, okay, I'm doing seguidas, di ba? Number 2. When I start, see, I set up here, feet together, and then I bridge. Now, before, you guys were hitting the weapon when you bridge. Pero in reality, yung hand. Also, you try to catch the hand early, not when he's already on the follow through. See, maybe even if you hit the hand, he is going to hit you also, because the momentum is not going to stop, right? So you will see that. 1, 2. Oh shit. So what should I do? Right? Back here. Right? Usually your partner will range out also, but if it doesn't range out and you already hit the hand, now you can hit the weapon. Now you can, ano to? Ano to?
Break.
Attacking for wall. Oh. If he doesn't back up, now I trap and I do something else. Attacking for wall. I'm still doing seguidas. See? So he's probably going to back up. Now you can chase him, right? So now after I hit your hand, start backing away. Okay? So again, the progression of the drill will become like this. Hit. Back up. Yeah, back up. You have to range out. Range out. Keep ranging out. Yeah. That's the idea. Yeah. So your partner has to learn to range out on the drill. And then you, the guy doing the seguidas, okay? You'll learn to look for you're still looking for those same windows, but now you are you're bridging. you are now harassing him. This is just the drill, di ba? It's just a drill. Execution, one of these strikes should have killed him already. Pero we're practicing the Sigiras number 2. So, complete yung set. Alright? Okay, one more time. Okay, 1, 2, set up here. Feet together, largo, boom, 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 boom. See? Pop. Okay? So no more, after that, no more standing still. You do the Sigiras. No more just standing here. Do. Yeah. Do it again.
1, 2.
Boom, boom, boom. Yeah, see, I'm backing away. You have to chase me. You have to bridge. Yeah, see? Kasi he should not give that to you all the time. And again, you're learning to advance while attacking. Okay.
Yung footwork.
Oh, yeah. Just a momentary displacement, just so I can get the hand strike. Okay. Again, you have to visually measure this, because if you do the literal way I was showing you earlier, where you do this, yeah, it gets dangerous. I'm too close to his weapon. This is a largo tactic. Right? Step only close enough. See, I displace myself. This is a reverse triangle, diba? Reverse triangle. I displace just enough. Okay? He sees me wind up, he should be backing away, right? Then I will chase him. So it's like boom, 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 boom. See? You wait. Okay, what he, yeah? not ba 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 all at once. Remember the semi-auto rifle analogy. 3-round burst versus automatic, right? This is automatic. Bam, 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 bam. This is 3-round burst. Bam, 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 bam. See? Oh. Yeah, I just wanted to, because we were talking about the hand strike, so I had him put this on really quick so you can see this is really my target, not the stick, not the sword every time. And because it's the hand target, I have to catch it when it's still kind of up here or back here, right? Here, yeah, okay, but too late. You're gonna get cut also. That's why you have to be a good judge of distance.